How to change App Store language. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap App Store. If you see a preferred language option, tap it and choose the language you'd like to use for the App Store. However, on most iPhones running iOS 16, this option isn't available. The App Store follows your iPhone's system language instead. To change it, go back to Settings, then tap General. Next, tap Language and Region. Tap iPhone Language, select your preferred language, and then tap Change to your chosen language to confirm. Your iPhone will briefly restart the interface, and once it's finished, the App Store and other Apple apps will display in the selected language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the App Store language on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.